Okay, this is the AMG 55. Today what we're going to be doing is took off the intake. Okay, so basically you take off this cover. If you don't know, this cover is just held in by these little clips. You just pop that off, remove the two little intake ducts. Okay, now you're going to come over here, and this is the intake, right? So you're going to remove all of these. What is this? A size T25, okay? So this is going to be a power adder. You know, it's just going to help the engine breathe better. So I'm going to take all these off. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 11 of these screws. So I'm going to take all these off and then I'll be right back. Okay, this is what we're going to be using. Basically just a simple Dremel tool, cutting wheel. We're going to be cutting these fins off right here. You see these 3 fins right here? We're going to use a Dremel wheel to cut these off, alright? Both sides.
What do with what you got? Yeah, basically break off pretty easily. Little chunks. Got that all mostly ripped off. Basically, I'm just going to take the sanding wheel and just and then clean out the insides, break these little chunks off too with a knife or razor blade, whichever. So let's see something on this side. This is basically my second CLK55. This one has never actually been in red. This one's actually a clean title. So, this one. The other one I bought was red in the front, and I had to rebuild it. I also had to replace the front, the whole rack and pinion in the front for the steering because it was all wrecked in the front by something. It never seemed like it was. It didn't seem like the stock rated horsepower. I always thought it was like underpowered, but this one doesn't though. So these mods I should definitely feel an increase in throttle response. And then later on we're going to get the supercharger for cleaning, or get one. I heard the stock ones from the like CLK55 or the supercharged M113K series motors. I heard those are you can just basically try to lower the compression and then throw it on and it'll work.
Okay. There you guys go. This is what the finished product looks like after I sand it all down. Okay, there's still some wet spots. Okay, I know you guys are probably talking shit. It's alright though. Main thing is all the fins are gone. Okay, next we're gonna do this one. All those fins have to be removed until it looks like that. Then we're gonna put it back on the car. With these kind of filters, except these are old. I'm gonna go get brand new K&N filters. Alright.